Hello everybody and welcome to the Grange Headteacher Video Assembly for years 3 and 4. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher, and you know what we're aiming for at Grange. We want everybody to have a great caring attitude. We want everybody to be really trying their best. We want everybody to be learning even from their mistakes, and we want everybody to be going for improvement and progress, always getting better. We want everybody to be using their education to help them to learn to make great choices in their lives, and we want to never be giving up. So what is true strength and how can we become stronger? Well, we know there's physical strength, which is the strength of our body, and we know there's character strength, which is the strength of who we are and our strength of attitude. It's our power in our attitude. So physical strength, we know that if we've got really strong bodies and if we work on our muscles, we can overcome physical challenges, and we know that we can win physical battles. But we know that character strength doesn't just help us to overcome physical challenges, but any challenge. If we use the strength of our character, if we grow our character strength, we can overcome any challenge and we can win any battle in the end. So the real strength is in your character, and we can grow our character strength by knowing what to work at. So we started off by looking at all the different types of character strength that we could really focus on. And we said to ourselves, our real strength is our strength in each of us in our character. So we spoke about wisdom, and we said wisdom is much more than intelligence. It's not just being clever and knowing things. Wisdom is thinking deeply about everything, using every bit of experience you've had in your life, even your mistakes, to learn from them so that you make really good choices. And we learned some aspects of wisdom. We learned about love of learning. If you really grow your love of learning, if you enjoy learning and you love learning and you look for every opportunity to learn, well, that really helps you to get more experience and to grow your wisdom. And if you grow the power of your curiosity, then you're always looking for ways to solve problems, to find out more, and just to know more so that you can use your wisdom to solve any problems you've got in life, or to enjoy your life even more, make your life meaningful. And we spoke about courage, and we said courage can mean all sorts of things. Courage can mean that you are really willing to learn new things, and you're not afraid to have a go at improving. We said courage can mean that you take your time to make up your mind, even if other people are telling you this is what you should do, this is what you should do. You take your own time to make up your mind. And also courage can mean that you know you make mistakes, but then you say to yourself, let me have courage to learn from my mistakes. And we said also courage can be when you really realize that you hurt somebody else's feelings, that you did the wrong thing, but you say, from your heart, I'm really sorry, and you start again. You really mean sorry, and you start again. Well, that takes a lot of courage, but it certainly makes your life better if you live your life with the character strength of courage. Now, in this picture over here, I looked at this picture and I thought, this is an interesting picture. And I saw water and I saw people swimming along, and I felt they're all swimming along in the same direction, because probably that's where the current is taking them. The current is the strength in the water that's flowing in a certain way. But you can see somebody in the middle with a lovely clothes on, really bright, but they're swimming the other way. And that made me think of bravery, because you have to be really brave sometimes to swim against the current, to swim against the direction that everybody else is going at. And that's what bravery really is. It's when you say, I'm going to have a go, I'm really going to try, I'm going to do my best. When you've got a job to do, even it might be a little bit scary. Maybe it's a maths task and you're thinking, oh, I'm not really good at this. I don't feel so confident. But you say, I'm going to be brave and I'm going to have a go. Well, that takes bravery, and that is the power of character. And that can make you truly strong to overcome any challenge. So we always like to have ways to put what we learn into action so that we can grow and train our strength. So here's a bravery action. Take your time to decide. So you're going to have a go, but people are saying to you, do this, do that, do this, do that. And you say, I need to be ready. I need to take my time. That is actually really important, to be brave and to say, I'm going to take my time to decide. And you've got to be really brave to be really kind to everybody. I saw such amazing kindness last week when I saw somebody was really angry, really struggling with their emotions, but their friends in the class were just so kind. And that took bravery as well, because they could easily have got all upset or just walked away, but they were genuinely kind, and that took bravery. When it's a little bit scary when you see somebody really angry and upset, but if you are kind to them, that takes bravery. And here's another way to put your bravery strengths into action is be confident. Believe in yourself. You know our Grange CC way. Be confident. Be proud of yourself and look after yourself. Now, when we're speaking about bravery, I thought it's really important for us to know this Sunday was what we call Remembrance Sunday. Because on this Sunday, it's always the Sunday before the 11th of November. And on the 11th of November, which is also the 11th month, we always remember the end of the First World War, which you will learn about. And you might have seen the poppies, because people wear poppies, because on the fields of battle, where so many terrible, tragic things happened, after the war ended, which means peace came, which means we got to peace, the poppies grew. And that gives us hope that if there's anything terrible going on, like a war, that we can really work to bring peace. And the peace is like the poppies. Beautiful things come. Even after horrible things have happened, beautiful things come if we bring good things like peace. So by wearing the poppies, we remember everybody was so brave, gave up so much to bring peace, and we treasure peace and try to work towards peace. So we've been talking about bravery, and bravery is part of the character strength which goes into the Grange CC way. And the Grange CC way is that everybody should be proud of themselves, should be confident, and everybody should be really caring about the world and about everybody else, and that's considerate. And that is a philosophy for life. It's our Grange philosophy. That's what we want, the Grange CC way. It's our very own philosophy for life. We've got CC lining up, which means we are brave and we are focused and we are ready, and we always get ourselves ready to make the most of any opportunity. So we line up before learning. We line up when we need to go to, for example, to play. We line up when we're coming in from play, and we know that we're all working together as a community. We have CC walking. So when we get from one place to another place, we walk confidently, but we also walk with consideration. We walk calmly, so there's no danger for anybody else and no danger for ourselves. And we walk quietly so that we don't disturb anybody else. And with that lovely attitude, we make our school a great place. And we also have CC Learning. And CC Learning is when you are honestly your best friend. You are your best. You be your best. You enjoy your learning. You sit quietly when it's appropriate, when you need to do good listening. You talk when it's appropriate, when your teacher asks you to participate in the lesson. You improve by learning from your mistake and using feedback. You know, the purple pen we use at Grange. And you engage. You always have a go. You are brave and you have a go with your learning so that you can get better. So there have been Stars of the Week at Grange. And who has got gold last week? Abdi Rahman, brilliant work. Ibrahim, fantastic. Leland, magnificent. And Jahim, proud of you. Well done, you stars. And here's the Grange House of Water. Got a whopping 2,410 points last week. Well done. And here are our champions. Irfan and Ryan with 21. And Logan with 23. Amy with 24. Sammy A with 24. Louisa with 25. Hodan, we are really proud of you. 25. Bassett 25. Atif 26. Karunyan 26. Amar 26, Ashvini 28, Joseph 31 points, brilliant. Natalia 32, we are so proud of you. Zainab 30 points. Maya N 36 points, that's brilliant. And Simina 45 points. Great work, House of Water. Is there more? Yes, Khalif 91 points, that's truly amazing. Brilliant, Khalif. Grange House of Fire got 2,597 points. Avi got 19, Amar 19, Leo 19, great work, Jahim 20, Eric 20, Pfizer 21, Adam 21, Yasmin 21, Pasha 22, well done, Pasha's just joined, Maria 22, Jalal 23, Ruel 23, Kamani 23, great work, Tiago 23, Dana 23, Nia 24, Branshika 25, Jory 25, and Dolly 26, Hasunat 26, Yakub 27, Aaron 28, Kahan 28, Daim 30, Zohal 31, Majid 33, Laurentio 34, Rocky San 36, Abdi Rahman 38, Emeld 42, Vienna 59. Well done, Vienna. And the Grange House of Air got 2,409 points. And Daria got 19, and Tamid got 20, Hasnain 21, great work, Yasin 21, Fahad 22, Talha 23, great work, Nikki 25, Martina, lovely, 26, Andrada 26, Ananai 28, Lauren 28, Adna 28, Yaksh 28, Anaya 30, Uzair 38, that's lovely, Diana 39, Maria 040, Walid 44, Ibrahim 049 points, well done. Grange House of Earth 2,702 points. Abu 19, John Anthony 19, well done. Alexandra 19, Shema 19, Vladut 19, well done. Vanessa 21, excellent. Hossein H 2 and Hossein A both got 21. That's wonderful. Anj 22, Riola 22, Justino 23, Sammy AM 23, Asiya 25, Nur 25, J 25, Maria A 25, Ronessa 26, Afshin 26, Lorik 27, Hassan H 29, David 29, excellent. Louisa 30, Zakira 33, Afsa 33, Leland 34, that is just fantastic. Niara 40 points, well done Niara. And the whole Grange community got 10,118 points, which is brilliant. So who were Mr. Kerbel's classy classes? Well, Holmes class, well done, 574 points. Beckham class, look at you, 671 points. And the classiest of the classes, Ennis class, 825 points. Well, give yourselves a pat on the back. That is absolutely brilliant. Now, on autumn 1, look at that massive number, 47,561 points we got in the autumn 1 half term. So what is our target for autumn 2? 50,000 points. Freddie came to visit last half term because of our brilliant Classchart points. And this half term, we're working towards a visit from a real reindeer for Christmas. So do your bit, be brave, be your best, have a go, be a great Grange CC learner. I'm looking forward to Christmas already. So be great, be Grange, live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead, be safe and happy, learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.